Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use trim command in AutoCAD. To use trim command in AutoCAD, what you have to do is you have to type TR as the shortcut and just press space or enter like this, and then you hover your mouse to the line you want to trim. Let's say this. Just click here like this. You can trim the lines, and here you can see cutting edges, crossing, like this. You can trim your line by hovering your mouse to the line you want to trim like this. Now you can see all the extra lines which are there in our projects are trimmed. So this is the way you can use the trim command to trim the line which you don't want. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up. So take care. Bye bye.